entering Columbia Parkway from Beachmont, heading west into Cincinnati. The trucks have been through here. The snow is plowed from the road, but there is new snow that has fallen since then. It is slippery. It is slippery. I can feel the wheels sliding a bit. Not ice so much as just packed snow underneath the new snow, I think. Taking it slow. It feels slippery. Some of the side roads were covered in snow, and it was kind of bulky snow, so it was easier to pass. Be safe on Columbia Parkway, because this is definitely slippery right now. We're coming up on Dead Man's Curve, so-called, because a lot of accidents happen there. And it's awfully slippery, even on a wet day. So with all this snow, I can imagine it might not be safe to go very fast. I'm going just under 30 miles an hour right now. And you know, I'm a slow driver in bad weather, so if I feel comfortable going 30, it's not that bad, because usually cars are passing me, like coming up behind me now. Okay, coming up on Dead Man's Curve. Roads are okay. It's a little drier here, actually. A little less snow on the road. Let's see how we do. Okay, going around Dead Man's Curve. It's slippery. Take it slow, and it's okay. I should mention I'm in a four-wheel drive vehicle. If you don't have four-wheel drive, you might find the going even more slippery. We're coming up on Columbia Tusculum. I'm more or less halfway to downtown, and so far so good.